Talofa. Wa mai oto. How's everyone doing? Today I'm doing a mukbang and my food comes from a Filipino shop. Okay, I'm gonna show you up close, guys. Right. It's pork with orange sauce, and I have chicken curry. Okay, it's really nice. I always buy this orange pork food here, but I don't know the name of it, so sorry about that, guys. I can't tell you. Oh, my memory sometimes. So, and then I had roti for the curry or the pork, doesn't matter what, and a jasmine rice, just a little bit, because I noticed that when I do my mukbang, I eat everything else and the poor rice is putting its hand up like, I'm here too, hello. So my roti is like probably 3 weeks old, but the reason being is because I like to buy them in, like, I think they come in packets of 10, and then I put 2 in a clip bag, in a sandwich clip bag. I just put them in there and I freeze it. So when you freeze it and then you cook it in the microwave, it's still as soft, like my skin. That's old skin, guys. Awa, leave sasa. Anyway, I'm swallowing my saliva. It must be on for your eye. I'm hungry. Anyway, guys, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Thank you for all coming and hanging out with me, guys. I really appreciate that. And my voice sounded a bit deep today. Like, why is that? I don't know. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. But anyway, guys, let's get a prayer going so we can eat together. Anyway, while I'm doing my prayer, please, let's pray together. Don't try and run off and get any food. Do it after I pray. Bye. Anyway, it's up to you, guys. But me here, I have to send thanks. Okay, I better get it going because I'm talking a bit too much. First of all, I got a raspberry cordial with my Kangen water. So cheers, guys. I think it's nice to wet the, you know, the palate. So it smells so good too. Beautiful curry. Let me do my thumbnail. Wait. No. Yeah, that'll do. I don't know what that was. I hope you guys got some food so you guys don't, you know, like, feel eye my lot me eye. Look how soft. Look how soft the texture is. See? It's been in my fridge, guys, behaving itself, waiting for its mama to eat together. So this is chicken curry. Yum. Yes, it cool. You know, all my children, they're not home. So only me, my mama, and my hubby. But my hubby going to work because he want to do some overtime, guys. Yeah, have a bite. You know, curry and roti goes hand in hand, especially when it's nice and moist, you know. I went to drop my son off home, guys, and my son was giving me tips on my video. Yeah, I wanted to be cheeky and say, okay, do your video, and then I'll listen, but I was listening, so. In case you're listening, Benjamin, I was listening. It's so good. And try this pork one. I love buying this. So I haven't been to this Filipino shop in ages. But then I find out they're making nice curry as well. Oh guys, did you hear? There's been like some, because I live in Australia in case you guys don't know. And I hear there's like some new, you know, corona happening. Does that corona realize that everyone's waiting to fly overseas to see family and to visit Cook Island and stuff like that? Rude. Corona. Horrible corona. But guys, I think it's in the Bible. But guys, what can we do? What can we do? We can just wait around and hope, you know, everything goes back to normal. Yeah. COVID. Right. COVID, I got a spoon. You know the wooden spoon back in the days? Yeah. Our parents gave us a fussy sometimes with it. And that's what you're going to get, COVID. It's like every chew you go They're not just curry is in this too. I keep thinking I'm size 20, so I go buy like shirts that's size 20 and that, and then look at it, I'm almost wearing a cape. Yeah guys, if you guys like watching rap reviews, go over and see Life of KEITYB and her mum. They do you know, like reviews on that. You know, it's interesting because it's Polytube that's doing it. Youths and adults, you know, they do the rapping and they give the review for it. I tell you, some of them are so like very touching. The words that they write, you know, very touching. I've cried on some of their videos. Can't help it, because what they write, it's like these rappers, there's things that's happened or happening in our lives. What was this? What was that jack movement? Yeah, all bad if you're a professional, yeah. Sorry about that. You got a whiplash too. Yeah, see, I'm looking outside my window and I see these nice yellow lemon. Yeah, because there's a big ass, like a big lemon tree just there. My husband wants to chop it down. It's weird though, he wants to chop it down, but he went and bought he went and bought two other, he went and bought a lime tree and a lemon tree. I tell you guys, every house we've stayed in, he's always either growing a lime tree or a lime tree or a lemon tree. I don't know why he does it. But I don't know if we've ever had lemon or from his trees, because, you know, like we moved house, but because now we've purchased a house, we'll probably stay put. And then we'll finally get to eat one of the lemons from his trees. Okay. By the way, I got me a new book. Ta-da! It's my shout out book, guys. Glitter. Do you know every time I go and get my toes done or whatever, especially my toes, always got to have the glitter one. Because when I was a little girl, when I was just a little girl, yeah, I don't know, I don't even know. I know the song, Tina Turner song, but I don't know. Oh, she's lovely, Tina Turner, her voice is... Okay, I want to give a birthday shout out for LOUISA, MIKA. Now, on the 29th of June, today is the 28th of June, so in Australia, so tomorrow will be LOUISA MIKA's birthday. So happy birthday. May God continue to bless you on your birthday and every other day ahead. Okay? So, hey, LOUISA, send me a birthday cake. Wailua, slice a birthday cake and send it to my email. Okay? Oh, cute. I have... So guys, there's two YouTubers that I just thought you guys might want to go check out their channels and see and show some love and subscribe to their channels, please. Okay, the first one goes to Mary, KEILANI, LOTO. Okay, so they got a YouTube channel, and I'm sure that they'll love your support, and you'll stop over to their channel and say howdy ho, howdy ho. And then there's another one. I was watching their video this morning. It's DIAZ World. They were eating in their car, right? And I was so hungry. I was thinking, I'm gonna go to park my car somewhere and have something to eat. But then because everyone's gone, no one's gonna look after my mama. And I thought, should I take her? But guys, oh my gosh, SIAOSI and Victoria, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys have heard about them and seen them and even have already subscribed to them, guys. But I love SIAOSI and Victoria. They are so awesome. Sometimes SIAOSI's not there, but Victoria's still going. Still, you know, taking one for the team and everything. Good on you, Victoria. See, what's the man? You leave me. I saw it. But man, what was it for in gear? If you feel curry, and Roti. You know, my camera just died suddenly because I dropped my camera the other day. And so I dropped my heart as well. But anyway, I dropped my camera, right? So sometimes it just turns off. It doesn't give you any warning whatsoever. It just turns off like your bots. Yeah, and anyway, so I'm talking away because you know how I talk a lot. I get up to go around to turn on the record again, and I tumble forward, land on my knee. You should have seen when I was having a shower. Even that was worse. Oh, I nearly fell inside the shower. And I dropped my watch because my towel dropped, so I went to grab my towel and I unhooked my watch, and I had unhooked my watch. My towel fell. I went to grab my towel and the watch fell, and lucky it didn't break. This watch is my son's birthday present for me, and I've had it ever since. It's like one of my favorite, not a jewelry, but you know, something to, it's my favorite. I've had watches, probably 4 all up in my whole life, but this one is my favorite because it belongs to my oldest son. He's the one that bought it for me, and yeah, and I value it because I'll tell you this story, right? When I turned 13, that means, you know, you become a teenager, right? Yeah, so my mum, my poor mother, she gets migraine headaches and everything because she does overtime to buy us things that we needed back in the days. So my mum gives me this watch, my first watch ever since coming from Samoa in 1972. And I appreciated it, I did, when I was at home. But I went out and I stayed out with some friends. 13-year-old my B going out and staying out at sleeping over at friends' houses. You know, 13-year-old, because I reckon back then was sort of like more, you know, like more not as bad. Well, I don't know. Gosh, to be honest, I was just like, okay, so making up excuses. Hey, Faye, it's a little bit better. Go, you know, try and make up excuses there, Faye. Yeah, okay, sorry. Anyway, so when I was over at my friend's house, right, I was showing them this watch, and back then, Bob Marley was an in thing, right? Like, Buffalo Soldier, dreadlock rasta, oh, I love Bob Marley. Anyway, so this girl, my friend, how could I call her this girl? She's my friend. Anyway, she had this bracelet, and it was like a plaited bracelet with beads on it, you know, like the green, red, and black, and yellow, and you know, I really liked it, because at the time I was mad in love with Bob Marley, you know, like, so when she showed me this bracelet, and then she said to me, "You want to swap?" Oh, I didn't hesitate. I just said yes. Yeah. So I do a swap with my friend, and I was so happy with it. I was very happy with the swap. I thought I got a good deal, right? And then I went home. My mother hadn't noticed that I didn't have the watch until about 4 days later or something. She looked at my wrist and noticed that I don't have the watch on. You know what? I'm gonna bite this. And she says, "Fellow Waki." And I go, "Oh." No, I didn't come up with a story, so I had to quickly make up one. And I said, "Lari poku." And she said, "Yeah. Fellow Waki nga, awala very sissy." You know what? Straight away I said it. I know. Straight away I said, "Ui, nengo ka nga awala wo." And she said, "Is it a fabal really?" That's what my mum said. She said, "Kelo oe, if I can, nga suwe de ka ura waki. Nga wale whaio uwe e kama whai whakawa sau waki. E nga wai tango ave ese, malo lima. Peu mai ke rea lofa loki nga." And just to look on her face, I thought I was going to get a hug because my mom does the beat down. But that's a disappointing look on her face. That's a disappointment. She didn't have to give me a hiding. That was hiding enough. And I couldn't get that watch back. I couldn't, because my friend had given it to someone else, you know, so it was a swap for something else. And I think about it, it was that girl's idea to swap. So I just think, maybe that's her way of doing things in her life, you know, like swapping this, swapping that, swapping this. That was my biggest mistake. I always think about that. How I did my mum wrong like that. You know, you don't think about it when you're a teenager, you know. You're just a little more biggie thinking whatever you do is right. So it's sad for me to think back, you know, things like that, because I wasn't being considerate of my mum. You know? So I guess, you know, I don't know. I think about it because I remember how much my mum used to have headaches because of overtimes, and sometimes they couldn't afford, my mum and my dad couldn't afford lunch at work. So my mum will come home like with headaches, you know, and because she's hungry, because then she turns, and no, because she's hungry at work, because there's no money to buy her any lunch. So she comes home with migraine headaches, and then my dad's waiting for her to feed her, because he comes home and he makes the food. And I try and cook, but I ruin things, you know. I don't know how to cook. No one's taught me. My mum never taught me. But I've tried cooking things, and I always seem to do it wrong, so I give up, you know. Because I noticed that I was wasting my parents' food as well. By experimenting. No, how many experiments have I tried to do? Yeah, and it's really costly because, yeah, anyway. But when my mum comes home, she's like, she's got such a bad headache, she doesn't want to eat. So she'll go have a sleep, or she'll call one of us to go and massage her head. But it was out of fatigue, she's tired, and she's hungry. And then she'll wake up, try and have a bite to eat, and she's off to work again, you know? You know, our parents say they sacrifice so much for us, and sometimes we don't think about the things that we do as teenagers. Oh, some do, trust me. Some are more mature faster than, you know, but a stupid girl like me, I go and give away a watch to my mum, you know. So, it's her fault. Far out, man. I gotta stop this. I told you guys, I try all the bloody time. Ugh. I just think about the sacrifice my parents had to go through. Probably like all your father's parents too, you know? Our parents, they bring us into this life, and whether they, you know, gave us the hard fussies, but they taught us along the way too, you know? They taught us along the way, and then all we have to do is try and pay them back for their love when we grow up, you know? Anyway, sorry about being sooky. Sorry guys, man. Gotta stop this. I get emotional, and I always tell myself, don't talk about your parents then, you know? But sometimes things come in my mind, and I start talking about it. And it's just watch this right. Yeah. My son's present. Anyway guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Sorry about the crying, cry baby, suki lala, ganso. That was lovely. The curry, oh, bomb diggity. I didn't even eat the rice. Rude. It's okay guys. I'm gonna have it after. I'm gonna put it together in a nice little plate, and I'm gonna eat it after. But at the moment, I'm gonna pack up everything, turn off all the lights, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out with me guys. You guys are so awesome. Happy birthday, Louisa. I hope you have a beautiful day on your birthday. Fast for it. Guys, keep searching for God, because He's wanting us to... Oh, rude. Bye guys. Oh, Faye don't say bye.